Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you our family recipe, sausage pie. We have here in front of us all the equipment that's needed, and the sausage meat. We use this 450 gram sausage meat. I already taken one out, so I'm going to show you how to take the other one out. And we have the puff pastry. You need about 4 to 5 sheets of that. We have here 2 minced onion and 2 minced apple. If you have a food processor, you can mix them all together so the apple don't go oxidized. We have 2 eggs, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, and pepper and salt. The oil, the dish is 25 by 35 centimeter, and an egg to brush on top. Firstly, we're going to heat up the oven, so make sure you turn your oven to 200 degrees Celsius for fan bake. Remove the rack to the upper part of the oven, and then we're going to grease the dish. So just a little bit of your cooking oil at home, and just grease the dish all ready to be lined. So we're going to mix in the sausage meat. So I have already put 1 row of the sausage meat in. The second row I already cut the slit on top, so it's easier to move up. See, just peel them, so easy. Just cut the bottom and top and just peel them, and we're just gonna use a spoon and just mix it. Just loosen it, and then we're gonna add in the onion and apple, and then we have the egg. Use a wooden spoon, mix them. So just mix everything in really well. Then we're going to add in the breadcrumb, about 2 cups of breadcrumb. I normally just make my own breadcrumb. Do you have your family at home that don't eat the crust? Then you can, if you have a food processor, just toast the bread, put in the food processor, and that's your breadcrumb, fresh from home. So now it's all mixed well. We just put a bit of a sprinkle of salt and pepper in, and just mix it well. So now we're going to line the dish. So take your pastry out from the wrapper and just push it in. Make sure you push all the bubble out and make sure it's lined properly. And then we're just going to put all the meat in. Very easy. And just level it up. And then just do the same for the top. So now we're going to pinch it with your finger, pinch it all in, and then we're going to use a fork to go around it. So now, we're going to decorate the top and just roll it up. So now we're going to decorate them on top. You can just decorate the way you like, any style you like. Okay. Cut off any excess that you don't need. Got a lot of the pie here. And that's it. And we're just going to brush with egg. Just poke some hole, and that's it. It's ready to be baked in the oven. So now after 30 minutes in the oven, the pie is now all ready, so we're ready to serve. So here's our pie all ready to be served. I just cut it out. You can serve with your favorite salad and chutney or tomato sauce at the side. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's dinner, and hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.